I got my right knee replaced in 2013, and back then for me it was more about walking and playing sport, playing golf, which is a love. Hello.
Hello, I hope you're keeping well. I'm calling from Kingsbridge Private Hospital. We received your message. How can we help?
Well, thank you for getting back so quickly. Tell you what it is, I want to book in for a knee replacement, please.
No problem at all. We could book you into Kingsbridge North West in Ballykelly. We could have your operation done within the next couple of weeks.
But these days though, it's especially after the last 12 to 18 months with COVID and the lockdowns, etc. It's all about spending time with family and the grandkids. And I want to be able to play with them out in the garden or down at the beach, play a bit of football with them. And I knew my left knee was going and needed it replaced. So I got in touch with Kingsbridge to see how quickly I could be seen. And it's just lovely, it looks very, very clean and comfortable. And as I'm away up here in the north coast, it feels like almost like I'm on holidays. And I'm looking forward to the peace and quiet and being able to stay a couple of nights and recover. And sure, it's only an hour from Belfast. Well, that is the operation done. All went well, and I need to take it easy for a while I heal. And I have to do exercises every hour to help with the recovery process. This part is crucial in making sure I can get back to walking without any further issues. Don't forget, I have Panto later this year. The staff here have explained everything so well, which will make the recovery process very easy for me. And I'm looking forward to tucking into my dinner, because the food here at Kingsbridge is outstanding. I can't wait to get back on stage this December and get a kick about with the grandkids and maybe 18 holes of golf at Fort William. I can't thank Kingsbridge Private Hospital enough for taking such good care of me. Thank you.